For the fifth month in a row, the Palestinians in the besieged coastal enclave have been suffering from the consequences of the war between Hamas and the Israeli army, amid the continuation of the Israeli attacks from the land, sea, and air on the territory. Since the outbreak of the war on October 7th, about 30,000 of people were killed in the besieged coastal enclave and more than 70,000 others were wounded, according to the Hamas Health Ministry. The ministry said that most of casualties were women and children. The locals here have been suffering from the humanitarian conditions, and they complain that their conditions have been deteriorated as a result of the Israeli banning of the entry of the humanitarian aid